From above, this place almost looks unreal. The water feels almost impossibly blue. The cliff's too dramatic. It could easily be mistaken for something generated. But it isn't. This is Maya Bay on Phi Island, a place that became world famous through a movie, The Beach. For many people, this island first existed as a cinematic image before it was ever a real place. A framed version of paradise, carefully shot, carefully edited, carefully color graded. Today we are surrounded by images that just look as perfect. Except now, many of them don't even require a camera. AI can generate entire worlds that feel convincing at first glance. And the line between what is captured and what is created is getting thinner. So if anything can look real, what actually makes something real? And maybe that's the real question we have to ask ourselves as creators right now. If perfection is no longer proof of authenticity, then what is? This almost looks unreal. Perfect colors, perfect landscapes, almost like it was generated. But it isn't. I'm on Koh Phi Island in Thailand, and this is real. Right now social media is being flooded with AI-generated content. And the quality of AI is improving fast. Sometimes it's really hard to tell what's real and what isn't. As a creator and as a viewer, I can feel a kind of saturation happening. Everything looks impressive, but less of it actually feels meaningful. AI isn't just flooding social media with impressive images. A lot of AI-generated content is intentionally designed to fake scenarios in order to generate clicks. The videos are showing moments of outrage, shock and disbelief. Exactly the kind of emotions people are most likely to react to. And this isn't limited to social media alone. This kind of fake content contributes massively to the fact that we are slowly losing the ability to clearly distinguish between what's real and what's not. I've seen multiple reels where a person was falling into a tiger cage or something like that. These videos are clearly fake and that's widely known, and yet they are still get massive views. Recently, the head of Instagram talked about exactly this issue. He said, everything that made creators matter. The ability to be real, to connect, to have a voice that couldn't be faked is now accessible to anyone with the right tools. I understand this concern. AI makes it easier than ever to create. But I don't think this means authenticity is disappearing. AI will get better. It will generate more realistic images and more convincing videos. Short clips can be faked. Images can be faked. But long form, real content from a real person is a completely different thing. The longer a video is, the harder it becomes to fake authenticity. Presence, perspective and consistency over time matter. People are getting more sensitive to what feels real and what doesn't. And that's why I don't believe that badly produced content is the new proof of authenticity. Shaky footage, bad audio and no color grading don't make something real. This video is clean, it's edited, its colors was graded. It has a clear look and it's still real. Authenticity isn't about imperfection, it's about intention. I see AI content getting millions of likes and I see how tempting it is. And yes, I use AI too, but only to support my workflow, not to fake stories. I've made a conscious decision to keep creating real content. Authenticity is becoming rare, and that's exactly why it matters more. The bar is shifting from can you create to can you create something that only you can create. In a world that's getting louder, presence and authenticity becomes a signal. To all content creators and YouTubers, don't let this development discourage you from creating content. Good content. Stay open but stay aware. Use the advantages and opportunity this technology brings, without losing your own voice in the process. I am absolutely convinced that AI won't replace us as creators. If anything, it might do the opposite. In a world filled with synthetic content, real perspective, real presence and real intention will stand out even more. And that's what might lead to something we haven't seen in a while. More attention and more appreciation for work that's truly human. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and if so, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel to don't miss out any of my upcoming videos. Bye bye and see you in the next one.